Do you want to learn how to use the chat feature in Hailuo AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first of all, I'm going to say this is not a competitor to ChatGPT or Cloud or any other tool out there because it's not able to do most of the things that those tools can do. Like you can start chatting with it. You can even add a document file or an image file. But for example, I've done 3 of these in chat history. I went over to the first one, which says search web and find me latest news for United States. And it gave me this, but I'm sure it has not searched the web for this. It says as of December 25th, 2024. But if you look at on the fourth option here, it says President Biden announced something. And this should not be the case because as you all know, in US, the president has been changed from President Biden to President Donald Trump. So this seems to be wrong. And to go further, I tried asking it to generate an image. So I went here, I asked it to generate a picture of a mountain lion in space. I thought just like how you do on Gemini or ChatGPT, they allow you to generate an image. So I thought that it's also going to do the same thing. But no, it's not able to generate an image, and it just directs you over to some digital art softwares that you can use, AI art generators, and such. But the good thing about this is that it gives you example prompt for AI art generator, which is great. You can just copy this from here, put it inside something like Kling, paste it in the AI images section in the prompt, and generate it. Now, another thing that I asked it was because this Hailuo AI is for AI video. That's what it started off as. So I asked it so I thought maybe Hailuo AI in their chat feature would include this inside it. So like we can chat back and forth with it and generate a video, then edit the video and such. But no, that's also not the case here. I asked it to generate me a video and it just gave us the steps to generate it. Like it directed us to some animation softwares and sources, video editing, final touches, and such. Now on the bottom of each of these generations, you've got copy, retry, share. If you do not like this, you can give a feedback, dislike feedback. There's also delete, which is going to delete this chat history. So yeah, this chat feature is currently in beta inside Hailuo AI. Don't expect a lot from it, but it's still a nice to have feature, because I think that it's currently available for free and you do not need to pay anything inside it. But again, you cannot compare it with ChatGPT yet. So yes, that's it. This is how to use the chat feature inside Hailuo AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.